Time to take a bath. Okay, I'm going. Get undressed, please. I'm taking off my clothes. Hop into the tub. I'm in the tub. Here's your soap. Thanks, I got it. Use the shampoo. Okay, I will. Wash your hair. I'm washing it now. Don't forget your ears. I won't forget. Scrub your arms. Scrubbing my arms. Clean your legs. I'm cleaning them. Wash your back. I need help with that. Rinse off the soap. Rinsing off now. Close your eyes. Eyes are closed. Tilt your head back. Tilting it back. Let me rinse your hair. Okay, go ahead. Do you need help? Yes, please. Stay in the tub. I'm staying here. Sit down, please. Sitting down. Here's a washcloth. Thank you. Use the sponge. Using it now. Don't splash water. I won't splash. Play with your toys. I am playing. Time to rinse. Okay, rinsing. Stand up slowly. Standing up. Here's your towel. Thanks, I got it. Dry your face. Drying it now. Wrap yourself up. I'm wrapped up. Step out carefully. Stepping out now. Put on your pajamas. I will. Brush your teeth. I'm brushing them. Good job. Bath time is over. Thanks, all done.